Most traders enter too late. This indicator spots trend reversals early. Parabolic SAR explained. Master trend trading.
Hi everyone. Today's topic, Parabolic SAR, is a most searched topic on the internet. So we'll look into what is Parabolic SAR, how can we install, and end this topic with the backtesting results. So roadmap will follow is what is Parabolic SAR, benefits, limitations, installation, best combination, and we'll end with the backtesting result. What is Parabolic SAR? So it stands for stop and reverse. What does it mean? If we are riding an uptrend, then Parabolic SAR will indicate if this trend is continuing or it's going to reverse. If it's going to reverse, it will stop, pause, and reverse. It's developed by G. Willis Wilder, also created RSI. This Parabolic SAR consists of series of dots. Dots below the price, uptrend, above the price, downtrend. Let's understand the Parabolic SAR with visuals. Parabolic SAR is a technical indicator used to determine short-term momentum and stop order placement. It works best in trending market and may produce fall signal in choppy or sideways market. So now look at the side of the chart. Red candles going down and the dots just sitting above the candles. It signifies the downward trend. Green candles going up, dots are now sitting below the candle. It indicates upward trend. So this whole area is your sell zone and this whole area is your buy zone. Whenever you see the first green dot, it means the dot has flipped, means momentum has flipped, your market trend has flipped. So now you can see the momentum has changed from downward trend to upward trend. The first green dot signifies your entry signal. You'll enter at this signal. And your stop loss would be the green dot. So now your stop loss will become your trailing stop loss as you will ride this trend. The next dot will be your next stop loss. So that's how you ride the trend till you see a next flip dot. Like now, right now you're riding the upper trend. And after that you'll see a next red dot. So it signals that now trend is changing, you should exit your position. The benefits of Parabolic SAR, it helps in identifying the trend, easy management of trailing stop losses, and we can define the entry and exit signals with it. Limitation, it fails in the sideways market and cannot work alone. You need to club with any of your favorite indicator or any of your favorite strategy. And it provides late signal, though it is mentioned everywhere that it provides you early signal, but it provides you late signal. Let's see about the installation. All right, let's look at the PSAR indicator, how to install and required settings. So first we'll go and look for the SAR indicator. So I'll prefer this Parabolic SAR. And the next indicator we could go with the EMA. For EMA, I'll prefer with 20 and 200. Let's do it a little bold. Maybe more bold. Okay. For PSAR, we can do the increment 0.022, otherwise everything is fine. Point width, it depends on you, how big dots you like to have. So show buy sell signal, it is giving you some noise. So I prefer removing this. Only this initial dots are enough for the signal. Highlight star point, if you remove, then these points will go off. Highlight state, if you remove, then hold trend direction, which it was showing, it will go off. So let's keep this setting. There are some more settings to change the color and your dots. So you can do whatever is convenient for you. So these PSAR indicator doesn't work alone. So you need to club it with some other indicators, like you can club with the EMA 50, 200, or I prefer marking first the zones of premium zone and discount zone. So I'll always look for the buy signals if it's giving me at the discount zone, and sell signal if it's giving me at the premium zone. So this is the 15-minute time frame, this dot. So as everything is going below 50, so it means we are in the sell position, sell condition, downward trend. So in 15 minutes, if you want, you can sell over here and take a profit at the discount zone. But I would prefer looking for the buy signal on the discount zone rather than looking at the sell signal at the discount zone, so that you can ride a big trend in spite of just riding a small little trend from here to here. So yeah, that's how you install the PSAR indicator with the required settings. So you need to club with your favorite indicators like EMA, premium discount zones, RSI, MACD, as it doesn't work alone. Let's see the best combination for this. PSAR best combinations are 50, 200 EMA and premium and discount zone. Backtesting results. All right, let's talk about the Parabolic SAR backtesting result. I did the backtesting on 10 trades in which I had 7 wins and 3 losses, 70% win rate, but it did have a catch, which I'll be talking about later. BTC USD 4 hours short. I took an entry on the first dot, which I saw in the premium zone, around 79845, and exited the trade around 77833 when I saw the flip dot. Second trade, BTC 15-minute short. I took a trade when it got rejection from the 50 EMA and shown the red dot. Exited the trade around near to discount zone. So I have 4 win trades over here. And then I do have some losses. BTC 15-minute short, gold 1 hour long, and then gold 1 minute short. Let's talk about this. So this 1 minute short, I took a short at this dot around 4535. I took an entry and it hit my stop loss and I exited the trade around 4540. Then I do have the 9th trade is BTC USD 1 minute long. That was win. Then 1 minute short. That was win. The catch which I was talking about, why this is 70% win rate, it could have been 80% as well. Like this trade, which I was talking about, I did take a short. It was near to the discount zone. Discount zone, we always expect that we are only looking for the buy entries, not sell entries. But still, I was in the mood of doing some scalping. So I took a short and it hit my stop loss. So the lesson I learned from here, that discount zone, either you are in the mood of scalping, but you should always take a long trades, not short trade. Verdict is, it helps in getting some confirmation whenever you are taking a trade using this indicator, but solely depend on this indicator won't work. Whatever the strategy you are following, either EMA, premium discount zone, order blocks, you need to follow those strategies. You can club this indicator along with those strategies just to get a confirmation, double confirmation. It is meant to give you the early signal, but it gives you the late signal. As we always look for the liquidity sweep, we always see whenever we get a liquidity sweep, we try to enter the trade after the liquidity sweep. But this indicator is not meant to take care of these liquidity sweep condition, which as a human being, we all already know in the mind, and we take care of these. That's all for the Parabolic SAR indicator. Hope you find it useful. Creating these videos takes a lot of time. So if you find it useful, please do like, comment, subscribe.